Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the TrustWallet Chrome extension on your PC. As you all know, you can only access TrustWallet through your Android phone or your iOS, basically your mobile phone. TrustWallet does not have any form of website interface where you can access your wallet or any desktop software or application. So if you want to access your TrustWallet through your PC, you'll definitely be needing the Chrome extension. So what you need to access your TrustWallet from your PC is the Chrome extension, and that means you definitely need to have the Chrome browser installed on your PC. Now when you have the Chrome browser installed, open up the Chrome browser and let me show you how to install the TrustWallet browser extension on your Chrome. Okay, now just open up a new tab and search for TrustWallet extension. You're going to see a lot of results. Make sure you go through the one that comes from chromewebstore.google.com or the one that comes from the TrustWallet official web page. So let me just quickly click on the first one coming from the Google Web Store. And here you can see the TrustWallet Chrome extension right here, over 200 million downloads. Now to get it, you can go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. So I'm going to do that. And of course, I'm going to click on Add Extension. So it's going to take a while to download. As you can see here, the download has started. So I'm just going to pause the video and come back when the download is complete, so we can go ahead and install it. Alright guys, as you can see, the TrustWallet has been added to Chrome, and you can see this button to also remove it. So that's just a swift way to add and to remove any extension in Chrome. Okay, but we're not going to do that. Let's just go ahead and open up the extension. Now let's go ahead and open the extension that we just downloaded. If you click on this icon right here on Chrome, you're going to see all the extensions that you have installed on your browser. Now you can see the extension sitting pretty right here, so I'm just going to click on it. And there you can see the extension opening up. You can adjust it, the size of the window right here. You can do any of that. And here you can see that the TrustWallet is up and running on your PC just with the Chrome extension. Now you can go ahead and restore your wallet through your wallet freeze, or you can as well go ahead and create a new one. All you just need to do is to agree to your terms and conditions, and you can see that all these buttons here are now active. Now in my next video, I'm going to show you how to restore your wallet using your wallet 12 or 24 word freeze. So that's the end of this one. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video.